way. There are three greenhouse gases, not one, there are three. There's carbon dioxide. Now, its heat trapping capacity is low, but there's a whole lot of it. There's nitrous oxide. Its heat trapping capacity is 250 times higher than carbon dioxide. And there's a fair amount of it. And where does it come from? It comes from nitrogen fertilizer that fertilized all the vegetables and the plants, because the cows aren't on the farm pooping and manuring and, fixing the nitrogen in the soil. So instead of it being soil, it's dirt. And if you want to grow corn in dirt, you have to spray it with nitrogen fertilizer so it has something to grow. And that contaminates the water tables, and it ends up, causing dead zones in the Gulf of Mexico and climate change, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. And that all came from plants. Mm-hmm. And then finally, there's methane. Now, methane is 25 times more heat trapping than carbon dioxide. So yes, that's a problem, but there's not that much of it. It's actually pretty low. And so on the big damage scale, and it doesn't last that long in the atmosphere. It only lasts 9 years as compared to carbon dioxide, which lasts 33 years, and nitrous oxide, which lasts 114 years. So on the big scale of the three greenhouse gases, methane is like the lowest. It's the least concerning of all the greenhouse gases. But that's the one cows make. All right? Now, there's another reason to not be mad at the cows. In 1968, there were more heads of cattle in America than there are today. And they made 1/5 the methane that the cows today make. How come there are fewer cows, but 5 times more methane? And the answer is antibiotics.
Antibiotics.
The antibiotics we give to the cows who live on the CAFO basically killed off their regular bacteria, allows the methanogens like Akkermansia and Archaea to populate. And basically, these cows are now making methane hand over fist compared to what they used to do. But guess what? So are we.
Yeah.
We make more methane too. Okay, no one's talking about getting rid of us. Okay, yeah. It's not the cows, it's what we did to the cows. So let's undo that. Leave the cows alone, take them off the CAFO, put them back on the farm so they can poop and make the corn grow. Okay, that's called regenerative farming. And that's what we need to do to fix the climate change crisis. But we can't do that until we get rid of the food subsidies, because that's what's causing all the growers to grow the wrong stuff in